Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, I'll be answering these few questions a lot of people have been asking me on how can we fix jump and fail on Crazy Rock. Have you been playing Crazy Rock game and whenever you try jumping queue, it always show you failing and your queue has not changed? So in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how to jump on Crazy Rock, how to jump the queue successfully without having the challenge of failing or any other thing. Okay, all you need to do is to calm down and watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video I am going to be showing you guys everything you need to know about this Crazy Rock jumping queue of a thing. So I will be revealing to you guys my own personal experiences with jumping of the queue and how I was able to fix it. So in this video I'll be sharing it with you guys step by step. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I do on this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas on this my channel on daily basis. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, for you not to miss out any of my latest updates, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new videos like this. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, I will love to lay a clear disclaimer. This video is meant for educational purpose and informational purpose and not a financial advice, as results may vary based on how you are using Crazy Rock platform, Crazy Rock gaming platform. So this video is not a financial advice and this video does not guarantee you any result. Please do take note of that. This is my total disclaimer. Then at the end of this video, if you're not in of my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, I'll be leaving my Telegram group link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us there for more business tips and more money making ideas on daily basis. So before I proceed to show you guys how to jump the queue correctly, I will briefly explain what this crazy game all about for those hearing about crazy game for the first time. So this crazy game is basically an online gaming platform where you can play game to entertain yourself or you can play game for the purpose of reward. So this platform serve different purposes, and I always tell people that whenever you come across any platform, you should always make research before using them and always know the purpose you are using that particular platform. So this platform here, this is basically a video gaming platform where you can play games to entertain yourself and do another thing. Now in this game, Crazy Rock game, a lot of people are using this platform, and sometimes when you are using it for reward, they may ask you to jump a queue, and then that queue you are trying to jump is to, you know, to overpower or pass those who are already lining up. So how do you do it? You have to do task. There are some certain tasks, daily mission, which you can do, and then when you do that task, you may be able to jump if you are able to get the horn. So this is the, I will show you guys the horn. It is the horn you will use to jump. Now when you are jumping and all of the sudden it shows you jumping queue fade, so I will show you guys the reason why it happened like that and how to fix it. So this video is based on my own experiences, and a lot of people have been asking me why is it like this, and in this video I'll be showing you guys. So first thing you need to do is to click on this green note option here. So when you click on it, it will bring you to this place. So when it bring you to this place, and then you will see they have queue jumping one, and then this one is normal horn, and then that's the purple horn, and they have the golden horn, queue jumping too. So now when you are jumping for the first time, the first horn, only this one horn will be showing. This second one will not show. So why is it like this? Now they have two type of horn on this platform, and then how you can be able to do this is that once you are using the first one, which is this one, once you click on jump queue, it will take you from this place and me pushing you to this place, so to get you to level 100 or queue 50 or something like that. Then this second one now, when you are jumping this queue and this second one appear, then what you should do to avoid queue jumping fade, don't click on the first one again. According to my experiences, because I've encountered this. So take a look at your screen. When you see something like this, is because you click on this one. So the moment you are jumping a queue and the second one appear, which is this golden horn on, then you should know that this one has completed, which means you cannot use it again. And if you try using it, it will result in failure. Okay, and then what you are going to use is this second one. Now this second one has its own requirements. Now 3 horn of this purple horn is equal to 1 horn of this golden horn. So when you tap on it, it will show you, you can see it here. So 3 purple horn is equals to 1 golden horn. So once you have 3 of this purple horn, and then it will show you the option of synchronize. So once you synchronize now, it will convert to this golden horn 1. And then when it convert to this golden horn 1, then you can now use it to jump. So this is the one you're now going to click to jump. So when you click on this one jump, it will not show you again. Then another thing that will appear here, once if this one is not showing, another thing that will appear here is drum, golden drum. So that drum, whenever you see that drum, then it is still the same thing. 10 horn of this purple horn is equals to 1 horn, 1 drum. Then 3 horn of this one is equals to 1 golden horn. So this is golden horn, and then this is the normal horn or the purple horn. So once you are jumping and this second one appear, then don't click on this one again. The moment you click on this one, it will result in failure. So but once you click on the second one, then it's going to show you success. So you are going to jump success. Then in the process of you using this one to jump, another one might appear, which is the golden drum. Then the golden drum, that is the one we now finish. Then after I have finished jumping the queue, then the next level will be open for you. Then you can follow the steps to complete the rest. So this is how to jump correctly on Crazy Rock. So have you been playing Crazy Rock game and you encounter this queue jumping failure? So this is how I have personally fixed my own, and that is what I have just shared in this very video. So have you been playing this game, and what are your own experiences so far so good with Crazy Rock? You can also share your own experiences in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching this video, and then don't forget there is love in sharing. A lot of people have been asking me, I have received a lot of messages on why is it that whenever we jump the queue is showing failure, so a lot of people are expressing this, and this is the remedy which I personally use for myself, and you can also share it with everyone around you so that those who are playing Crazy Rock game will see this is how to jump correctly. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I remain Sparky.